Welcome to Doplac Task Management Tool, a world of productivity where you can revolutionize the way you manage your project, team, and task. With Doplac Task Management Tool, you can streamline your workflow, create, assign, and track your task process, communicate with your team. You can keep all of them in one place. So let's have a quick look how Doplac Task Management Tool help you and your team increase your productivity. Just by clicking project after signing to your Doplac.com account under the task management from the left menu, and this is the page where you can find all the project that you have created before. To create a new project, just click on add project, choose your project name. I'm going to choose it's a demo project. Okay, here it is. Choose the privacy. When you are choosing it's public, then every single team member of your team can see the project. If you're choosing private, then you are the person only, and who the team member you will assign will be able to actually see the project. Then choose your view, whatever view you are comfortable with. I'm gonna start with board. When you are done with your privacy and view, then just click on create project. And here it is, my project creation is completed. Now I'm gonna add a task here. Okay, here it is, I have added a task. Now you can just click on the task. You can click on assignee to assign a team member for the task. You can find all of your team member here. If you have any team member in your team, or if you need any help how you can connect or how you can invite your team member to your team on Doplac.com, I will add a video to the I button so you can check the video out. So I'm gonna assign this task to the person. Okay, choose the starting date, choose the due date. If you want to choose, then you can do it. And here it is, the status is to do. If you want to change, then you can change it. Under the description, you can write down your task description, what it should be. You can write whatever you want. And here it is under the comment. If you have any special comment about the task, then you can write down the comment here. And another best thing is that this is the part you can use as a chat with your team member or with the team you assigned the task for. After writing the comment, just click on send, then it will be sent to the team member you assigned for the task. And as I mentioned earlier, that you can use this section as a chat with the team member. So when you are done, just okay, I have assigned the team member, I have created the task, I have assigned the team member for the task, and you will get real-time information when the team member will move the task to the computation of every processes. And if you want to add any section here, you can just do it. As an example, here is 3 section default to do, in progress, and complete. I'm gonna add a new one like feedback. So here it is. This is the very simple way you can add another section if you want to add. And here it is, it's all about your Doplac Task Management Tool. Under the My Task, you can find all the tasks you are assigned for. Here it is your task title, task status, how it is going, starting date, due date, all that thing you can find here. This is all about Doplac Task Management Tool. And here it is when you're at the home page. If you want to click here to, if you want copy the task link, or if you want to share it with anyone, then you can just copy the link here. If you want to change the privacy, just click on privacy setting. And if you want to rename it, then you can rename the project again. And if you want to delete the task, you have to write down delete here before deleting any task or any project from your Doplac.com Task Management Tool. So this is all about Doplac Task Management Tool. Very easily you can create a project, you can create a task, assign a task to your team member, and track your task process. And you can also communicate with your team at the same page.